G'day everyone, welcome back to Metal Mania 3D. This is our website that we're currently building and adding on to, so we'll have lots more things coming up. We've been working on a lot of stuff in the backgrounds and all that sort of stuff and everything else. We've been trying to get this up and onto the internet for quite some time, but just haven't been able to have the time. That's the thing. Now we've made time. Time's always a strange thing. We've got all of this bits and pieces here. We've got all the 164. You'll be able to buy all the little engines and seats and wheel kits and all that sort of stuff there. Some of these wheel kits, we've also got a store on here, a web store. You can have a read of our panel there. PayPal, all secure, everything else there, tracked shipping, the whole lot. Some of our wheel kits. I'm probably better off just I'll take the camera off and show you around a bit of the workshop and all of that sort of stuff. And yeah, I've been doing this sort of thing here since I was a young fellow, and it's 50 odd years. But anyway, we won't get into that. We'll talk more, and we'll get on to just showing you around the shop where we do a bit of work and all out there. It's raining outside, so that's where the spray painting area is out there, so I just can't go out there at the minute. But yeah, we'll show you around. There we go. Hoping this is still working alright. Yep, so just scan back as far as I can. Just my bit of stuff that I've just got hanging around, a couple of the models there that I've gotten into. Just the workshop area is down on our bench, all the files and tools and bits and pieces, lamps, some of the spray areas. One of the other cars there that we painted the other day there, it's all dried off. The yellow one that we painted, it's just down there. Here it is. It's the yellow one that we spray painted the other day there. It's in another video, so you'll see that all in another video. A couple of cars that have just done a few things to there. That one there, we just put a set of rail riders on it there and just dressed it up a little tiny bit with some details. The one there, we'll whack a set of those alloy rims on it. Just some of the ones we were playing with there. Just whacked a set of rail riders with good years and all that there on the tow truck. Going to turn that into a couple of other ones. Took the stockies off that one there and put the set of rail riders and got the black with a bit of gold panning through there. It's a bit hard to see on the camera, doesn't work out too well. And so yeah. So that's one of my dad's vehicles. It's not with us anymore, but anyway, I'm going to restore that in one of my videos later on as we get moving along. All of these ones here, these are ones that I've all been playing with and modifying, jobs that need to be finished off. None of these are in a video at the moment, and so but we will get around to doing all of that there. Some of the other bits and pieces that we have hanging about, some of the cool ones there. There's one down onto here. There was one there that I played with about 5-6 years ago. All of these ones up here, just a few collectibles, got a few things hanging around. But just down onto here, and yeah, my just turn that website off there for the moment. Now these little houses down here, these little buildings that you can see down here, we've got those on our website. So this one here is a big massive lifted car, so let's just put into perspective with a real car and that sort of stuff. What's that one, that Nissan Skyline you can see just here, this one just here, that's a Welly 164, same as the the other cars and the tow trucks. But we've got these buildings and plus more buildings, which are on our website. These are the Magic Puzzle 3D buildings. They look pretty cool in the area there. I haven't set it all up properly. I've just built a couple so you can just see them, and that sort of thing. And just a few of my other bits and pieces that I've got around the place. So I've been collecting from time to time. We have supercars, Biannis, Peter Brock, all them sort of things. More down there. A couple of your older Hot Wheels, Paramedic van, USAMO van, all the other fantastic vans. A lot of your older stuff, a lot of my older stuff and all that there still hasn't even come out yet. It's still all in boxes everywhere else. These are just some of the projects that I've got on the bench that I own too. There's another set of cars that arrived the other day there. I've already taken them out of the box and all that sort of stuff. But there was that old Holden down there that we showed you in one of the other videos there. It's in my collection there, but I do have other ones and all that sort of stuff there. I have all the have these ones still brand new in their box. These ones there from the old got old. This is not old, but this is old, still old. 1977. Still in the boxes, and the same as the ones down there. This is the one the 207 on it there. So you can zoom in there. That's another Holden Ute, same as them ones there. That's a Honda Police motorbike in there, and yeah, a couple of other projects here waiting to go. It's already had the wheel riders fitted to this one there. Just haven't got around to getting the rest of it done, but we will. Some of the little diogramas in the background that we've just made up there for in a bit of a hurry for things. Later on there's another Holden Ute there, another one of mine. Got a few of them around. I've just set this up here, not the way I would like to, but just for the moment there, so we can just show you a quick look around. And all of those down there. There's some of the other ones there over on this wall just here. These ones just here that I've modified. They're all wheel swaps and that sort of stuff to them, just to make them look a bit more real life like. Not the two vans or the 4-wheel drive down the bottom down there, but the other ones there, they've all had wheel swaps. Yep. All your V8 supercars, all your old school stuff and all of that sort of stuff. And up here we've got the superbikes, GP superbikes, all around and all that sort of stuff. Just a bit of a quick look around. We'll do a bit better video when I get used to playing with this camera sort of thing and see what's happening out there. Them boxes will turn into a couple of garages. As you can see, I'm losing out on a bit of bench space. We'll just go back here for a minute because we didn't go into any of these, did we? These are the wheel kits I was telling you about. They've got all of these wheel kits. Excuse me. All the other wheel kits that we've got. Them ones there. There we go. Yep. Different sorts of ones. Yep. Tip them up, probably can't see that good there. You can see a lot better there now. The green setters, the chrome rim, real rider tyres, same as those there. These, like I said, excuse my filming, I'm not that great at it, but these ones here, chrome gold centre. These are fluoro green in the centre, and the other ones are fluoro yellow. We've got ones that have got black centre with the chrome ring. They're just standard wheels. That's some of the kits there that we have. Well, we've got these. We also got these in 5-star. They're gold rear riders sets. We also got them in chrome. They're the chrome ones on there, but they're the ones that have got the good years on them. So, and there's the chrome ones just there. They're the chrome 5-stars just there. Yeah, so. You know, poking about. I've got other wheel kits in here that I haven't even got to bringing out. we've got the full-on greens. We've got the whites, full-on white. Yep, 5 stars these are. There's a white with the chrome rim around the outside. And that's the other fluoro greens. And we've got the reds, the solid reds and the Real Riders, 5 stars still. We've got other ones coming as well. This is 5-star red in the centre with the chrome ring. It's the same, both that set the same as well. This is gold centre with gold ring, black centre I mean, with the gold ring. Real Riders, same size, 1/64 scale. This is the full-on black with the Real Riders as well. So yeah, that one there, go back to that one there, this is the other one there, sorry. That's the red with the chrome. I wasn't even watching what I was doing, I was too busy talking. We'll soon get used to doing this. That's the black again with the Real Riders. Yeah, you can see I love me black. Right, there's all them ones there. They're just other standard wheel kits that end up coming off jobs around the place. Bit of fun there, just playing with that there with a few decals and a couple of bikes, Kawasaki GPZ and the KX 450F, yeah. Anyway, poke around, there's a couple of spray boards out there. All my projects I put into containers, so all of the bits all stay together. I've got that many projects going at the moment. These here, we'll also have these up on our website for sale. Your rear foil spoiler kits. Argument's sake, just on the back of these little jobs here, like that. Yeah, we'll have those on the website for sale too. If you come up here close, you'll see they do have like the little pins around there, like you can see got pretty reasonable good detail on it. And they're actually steel, those pins across the back there, yep. So when you set it up and you glue it up and set it up onto your body, they looks quite good. I don't really have anything here that I can set it beside so you can see a bit better. Let's just do a bit of a quick dummy one like that. Let's hold him up there for argument's sake, and you can see that the spoiler on there, the look on the back of it looks pretty cool. That's one of my little Audis I've been playing with. Yep. Right, I'll put that back over. That's a truck that I'm chopping there to put into a tray back. But all of these boxes you can see under my bench here, these are all full of cars. All full of cars. These boxes here, you see all the new Hot Wheels and Matchboxes in. These are boxes that my wife brings home for me from town every now and then. Another box there full of them. And that's not just a couple on the top, they're all the way through the box. A whole lot of them there. Bought me some grass. These are all full of cars. All these here. All these ones here we've got to get into. I haven't got into all of those yet there yet. All of them boxes underneath there. And this is nothing. You want to see the storeroom. The storeroom's got cartons like you wouldn't believe. Here's some of my other stuff that I've just got on the shelf over there. Some of my other bits and pieces I'm collecting for myself. A couple of me combis and all that sort of stuff. Most of them ones up on the top there are Huskies and a couple of Funho. There are your Welly range there, and other ones in the background, the Hot Wheels, but there's all sorts of mixes there, everywhere, all over the place, trucks, trailers, everywhere you look. That's my packing bench. There's another service station that I'm working on at the minute. So yeah, there's more projects, more cars that the wife's brought home for us. Ones that I mention and she goes and she finds them for me. And brings them home. A couple of the ones, Fast and Furious ones there. I've got ones that I've got to modify, and I've got a couple of jobs there I've got to do for people. Alloy wheel kits. A few of these are already earmarked for special jobs. That set there's basically set for an Eleanor job for a person. They do actually have a replica Eleanor, and they want me to do the one up for them and paint it and put the wheels on it. And that'll be in a video for everyone to see. They're just some other nice alloy 164 wheels. Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're just all my work and stuff. More jobs, more cars. Anyway, I'm just poking around over here. It's a bit of a graveyard. That's another scenery sitting inside that graveyard, but it's just a smaller diorama. That's a bigger diorama. I use that for the Warhammer. So I used to be heavily into Warhammer. All that sort of stuff there. I used to use that there in the Warhammer. A little, you see this area here, not with the cars on it, of course. You see all the detail up that done all of this here. Sort of thing, hose, fuel station, steps getting up, all that sort of stuff there. Some of them ones there have been falling off because they fell down and broke. Some of these here are all painted trees made by me, painted models by me. Those ones there, that one there, took a lot of work. There's a couple of little tiny bits there that should be on there, but I haven't had a chance to set them all up properly. I've got quite a few over here. To get that truck out of the road, and there's a bit of an army here that I have set up. I've painted all of these up here, so yeah, been playing with this sort of stuff for a lot of years. So everyone mentioned to me, how come you don't have a channel or there? So we thought, oh well, might as well, and join in and show everyone else that have been doing stuff there on the quiet that no one even knew about. But otherwise than that, there, stay tuned. We got a lot of good stuff coming up, and a lot more videos. Boxes are getting opened and all that sort of stuff there. And I'm in cartons. I haven't even gone into the other storeroom yet to show you that one there, but we'll do that in another video because the cartons in there are absolutely used. Just before I do go, I forgot to mention, see that big massive carton standing there? That there is absolutely full, all full of die cast, as well as these two here. Like I was saying to you, stay tuned. We've got heaps more coming, and we'll be back with some awesome specials for the 164 die cast and everything else there. Yeah, so stay tuned, and we look forward to hearing from you. And any pointers, give us an ear. We're only new to this, so we'll learn as we go along, and we look forward to talking and answering our comments and all that sort of stuff. Alright guys, have a great day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, and we'll be all looking good. Thank you.